Hello. Welcome to this video where you'll learn 10 essential tips to take control of your personal finances and build a solid financial future. Are you ready to transform your relationship with money? Stay until the end because I have a special surprise and an important tip that will change your financial perspective forever. Let's get started. End quote. The 10 tips. 1. Divide your expenses into categories. Split your spending into 3 major categories: needs, wants, and savings/investments. A useful rule is the 50/30/20 rule: 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% savings. Example: if you earn $2,000 per month, allocate $1,000 to essentials like rent and food, $600 to entertainment, and $400 to savings. 2. Use cash instead of cards. Cash makes you more aware of your spending. When you see the money disappear, you think twice before spending. Reflection: how many times have you used a credit card without thinking, only to be surprised by your bill later? 3. Automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers from your main account to your savings account each month. Do it the day you receive your salary to avoid spending it. 4. Make strategic purchases. Always make a list before going to the grocery store or shopping online. Avoid promotions that make you spend more than planned. 5. Build an emergency fund. Save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of basic expenses for unexpected situations like medical emergencies or job loss. 6. Eliminate small, unnecessary expenses. These daily small expenses, like morning coffee or delivery apps, can add up to hundreds of dollars a month. 7. Invest time in financial education. Spend at least 15 minutes a day learning about personal finance. A book or an educational channel can change your life. Mid-video hook. End quote. Now that we're halfway through the video, I want to reveal the most common financial mistake we all make and how to avoid it. Stay tuned because this could make a big difference in your wallet. End quote. 8. Identify your why. Define a personal reason that motivates you to save or invest. Maybe you want to travel, buy a house, or start a business. Having a clear goal will keep you focused. 9. Use the 48-hour rule for big purchases. If you're thinking about spending a large amount of money, wait 48 hours before doing it. This gives you time to reflect and avoid impulsive purchases. 10. Reflect on your progress. Each month, review what you've achieved with your finances. This will help you stay motivated and adjust your strategies. The biggest mistake we make is not planning our long-term financial goals. We focus so much on the present that we forget to build a solid future. Remember, every small step counts. You can start with $1 today, but the important thing is to start. If this video inspired you, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss more content like this. Your journey to financial freedom starts now. As we reach the end of this video, I want us to reflect together on a fundamental aspect: financial education. In a world where economic decisions impact every facet of our lives, understanding how to manage our money is not just a useful skill but an essential necessity. Imagine for a moment what your life would be like if you had complete control over your finances. If every spending decision was conscious and every investment backed by solid knowledge. This level of control not only provides security but also freedom, the freedom to pursue your dreams without the shackles of financial worries. Financial education empowers us to make informed decisions, protects us from falling into debt traps, and allows us to build a prosperous future for ourselves and our families. It and #039 is an ongoing journey of learning and application, where each step brings us closer to stability and economic success. Remember, no matter what stage of life you and #039 re-in, it and #039 is always a good time to start educating yourself financially. Every small effort counts, from reading an article on saving to attending an investment workshop. The important thing is to take the first step and remain consistent on this path. If you found this content helpful and wish to continue learning about improving your personal finances, I invite you to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. That way, you won't and hashtag 039, miss any upcoming videos where we and hashtag 039, LL continue exploring strategies and tips to achieve the financial freedom you desire. Thank you for staying with me until the end. Remember, the power to transform your financial life is in your hands. See you next time.